पदं मन्त्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरोः कृपा। हरिः ओम। Kindly remember your Ishtadevata, personal God, and offer your respectful and devotional prostrations and seek blessings for making this attempt to meditate successful and fruitful. Harihi Om. Position your body pleasantly erect, comfortably erect. Thumb and the forefinger together, keeping the palms open to the roof, open to the sky. Place them on your knees, on or on your thighs. Keep your eyes closed. And kindly gather the total attention of your mind, complete attention of your mind, and place it on your body. Become aware of your body, conscious of your body. Become aware of the right side portion of your body. Become aware of the left side portion of your body. Become aware of the whole body. Become aware of the lower portion of your body. Become aware of the middle portion of your body. Become aware of the top portion of your body. Become aware of the whole body. Slowly become aware of your chest, the center of your chest, the heart center, Hrudaya Kendra. Focus the total attention of your mind intensely on this heart center, Anahata Chakra Kendra. Slowly become aware of your breathing inside your nostrils. Total concentration of your mind only upon your breathing. The smooth flow of the incoming breath, soft feather-like silky touch of the incoming breath inside your nostrils, and then the smooth flow of the outgoing breath, the soft, silky, feather-like touch of the outgoing breath inside your nostrils. The cool touch of the incoming breath inside your nostrils, and the warm touch of the outgoing breath inside your nostrils. Slowly shift the focus of your mind on to the Ajna Chakra, the center between the eyebrows, and feel the movement of the breath, the touch of the breath, the flow of the breath inside the Ajna Chakra. The smooth flow of the incoming breath inside the Ajna Chakra. The smooth flow of the outgoing breath inside the Ajna Chakra. Feel the flow of the incoming breath, the touch of the incoming breath inside the Ajna Chakra, the smooth flow of the outgoing breath inside this eyebrow center. Then slowly shift the attention of your mind onto the Sahasrara Chakra, the center on top of your head. The center on top of your head. Feel this center, feel the Brahmarandra exactly in the center on top of your head. Feel the Sahasrara Chakra and then the Brahmarandra, the opening into the Brahmic consciousness. Exactly in the center on top of your head. Focus the total attention of your mind on this Brahmarandra, on this Sahasrara Chakra, on top of your head, in the center on top of your head. Pinpoint your awareness on this Brahmarandra. If you can intensely focus on this center, Sahasrara Chakra, and in the center of the Sahasrara Chakra, also there is this presence of the Brahmarandra, an opening into the Brahmic consciousness. Become aware of this center on top of your head. When you intensely focus on this Brahmarandra, you can feel the pulsation of the energy. You can feel the slight touch of the energy. A pleasant vibration of the energy. That pleasant vibration present in this Brahmarandra slowly starts absorbing the mind into it. The whole attention of the mind will be slowly drawn into it. Total focusing of your mind, intense focusing of your mind on the Sahasrara Chakra. And in the center of this Sahasrara Chakra, feel the presence of the pleasantly throbbing, vibrating energy. You can even feel the movement of the breath inside this Sahasrara Chakra. Feel the pleasantly pulsating divine energy. And now, above this Sahasrara, above this Brahmarandra, imagine an empty pot. Above this Sahasrara Chakra, above your head, above the center on top of your head, imagine the presence of a pot which is empty. Become aware of the pot and the emptiness inside the pot. An imaginary pot on the top of your head. Empty space in it. And imagine another pot over this one. Imagine another pot placed over, above this pot, and that also is empty. Kindly exercise the power of your imagination. Feel the first pot on top of your head and the empty space in it. And then the second pot over this first pot. And empty space in it. And above this pot, place another pot, the third pot. Imaginatively place this third pot over the second one, and there is emptiness in this third pot. Become aware of this empty space inside the third pot Go into the space inside this spot. Take your mind into the space inside this spot. Become aware of this space, emptiness. Become conscious of this emptiness inside this top pot. Go inside the pot. Take your mind inside the pot, into this third pot. And feel the presence of the emptiness inside this pot. The whole of your mind gets absorbed into this pot, the emptiness inside this pot. Your mind is totally focused, completely focused on the space inside this third pot and the emptiness inside this third pot. Become conscious of this empty space, the emptiness, the shunya inside this third pot. Total tuning of your mind inside this third pot on top of your head. Become aware of the emptiness inside this third pot. Completely empty. Become conscious of the emptiness. Feel the emptiness, the shunya inside this third pot. And now imaginatively remove all the pots. The first pot, the second pot, and now only the third pot and the space and emptiness inside it exists above your head. Be rooted in the emptiness inside this third pot, and also remove this third pot and remain in that emptiness. Remain in that emptiness. Even the outer covering of the pot is gone, but the emptiness above your head, which was earlier called as the emptiness inside this pot, third pot, remains there, and you are aware of this emptiness, conscious of this emptiness. This is Shunya. And above this empty space is the bright, brilliant light. A shining, white, brilliant light of the sun. The pleasant morning sun, shining with its thousands of rays. You are conscious of this empty space, the emptiness itself, the Shunya. You are aware of this Shunya on top and above the head. And above this emptiness is the brilliantly shining bright light in the form of the sun. And there are light rays beaming out of this sun. Take the support of this light rays, the rays of the sun, the rays of the divine light. Catch hold of this rays of the divine light and proceed above, holding on to those divine rays, beaming out of the divine light. Follow the track of the rays that come out of the sun in your normal experience. The rays of the divine light. Catch hold of the divine rays of light and reach near to the light. Through the rays, reach the center of the light. Initially, you reach the circumference of the light. Through these beaming rays of light, reach the center of the light. Once you reach the circumference of this divine light, reach the center of it. Merge your awareness in the center of this light. Your awareness in the center of this light. The first part was the gross body. The second part was the subtle body. The third part was the causal body. You merged the gross body space into the subtle body space into the causal body, and the third part, inside that there is emptiness. You became aware of that emptiness. Both the spaces of gross and subtle bodies merged into the third space. You became aware of this space, the emptiness, and that space became empty, and the emptiness alone remains. And then above that emptiness, when you became conscious of that emptiness, above that emptiness are the rays of the light. The rays of the light of conscious Brahman. Through these rays of light, you reach the circumference of this light, and then the center of this light. In the center of this light, this is the light of Brahmic consciousness. Light of Brahmic consciousness. You become one with the light of Brahmic consciousness. And you leave the awareness of the emptiness. That emptiness also gets merged into this light. Your awareness, you take your awareness through the rays of the light to the center of the light. Now you are aware. This awareness is aware of this divine light. In the center of the light, all around this awareness is this light. This awareness is aware of this light, the divine light of consciousness, the Brahmic light of consciousness. When the third part is removed and there is only emptiness, when you become aware of this emptiness, that emptiness can be considered as avyakta. Earlier there was a pot to feel the center of the pot and space inside the pot and emptiness inside the pot. Now that pot is also gone, so you became aware of the emptiness. Earlier there was a pointer to feel the point of this emptiness. Now the pointer also is gone. The vyakta is gone into the avyakta. And above the avyakta is the rays of the divine light. And then through the rays are emanating out of the brilliant light. You became aware of these rays, and slowly through the track of these rays, you reached the circumference of the light, and then the center of the light, and you became aware of this light. This awareness of this light of Brahmic consciousness, and this awareness is aware of the divine light of consciousness, Brahmic consciousness. And this awareness that has manifested out of this consciousness goes back into the consciousness, because the awareness till now was aware of other things. Now it is aware of its light of consciousness, and it goes back into the consciousness. Now what remains is the pure Brahmic consciousness. The pure consciousness, there is not even the manifestation of the consciousness as awareness. The awareness also has gone back into the consciousness, withdrawn itself into the consciousness. Consciousness alone remains, the Shuddha Brahmic consciousness, the pure Brahman. Satchidananda Swarupa, and feel inside, I am Brahmic consciousness, I am Brahman. And this I am Brahman also is an aspect of awareness. And when this I am Brahman intensely focused upon, then this awareness gets merged into the consciousness. This I and am also get merged into the Brahman. I am Brahman. After this I and am get back into Brahman, Brahman alone remains. There is not even this awareness of I am Brahman. This awareness is a manifestation of consciousness that also has gone back into the consciousness. Consciousness alone remains. Brahman alone remains. The non-dual Brahman, Brahman without a second, only non-dual Brahman. There is nothing else other than it. It is pure consciousness, Brahmic consciousness, Satchidananda Swarupa. Now slowly become aware of the pulsating divine energy on the top of your head in the Sahasrara Chakra, the vibrating divine energy, and slowly become aware of the Sahasrara Chakra. Then become aware of the top of your head. Remain in awareness of the pulsating, vibrating energy on top of your head in the Sahasrara Chakra. In the practice of this meditation, the internal organ, Antahakarana, initially becomes aware of the Sahasrara and then the energy, and then through that it slowly goes higher and higher. And then all the limitations, upadis, limiting adjuncts at the gross level are merged into the subtle level, and the subtle level is merged into the causal level, and the causal level is slowly taken into the unmanifest, and the unmanifest, after remaining conscious of the unmanifest, aware of the unmanifest, then beyond the unmanifest into the pure consciousness. And then there is no more this internal organ which becomes aware of the Brahman and says, I am Brahman. And this is the final state before this internal organ completely becomes one with the Brahman, merged into the Brahman. Then there is only Brahmic consciousness. The last state of experience is the realization that I am Brahman. Then I am is no more there. Brahman alone remains. Become aware of the center on top of your head, the Sahasrara Chakra. Feel the energy inside the Sahasrara. And slowly become aware of your head. And then slowly become aware of the Ajna Chakra. remaining aware of this Ajna Chakra. Slowly become conscious of your body. Then slowly unlock your fingers. And slowly take your palms near to your eyes. Become aware of your eyes, your eyelids, your eyelashes, your eyebrows, and slowly open your eyes and look at the center of your palms. Slowly close your eyes and slowly lower your palms. Feel the peacefulness inside you. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.